Alright everybody, time for some chicken wings. That's right, check it out. Some chicken wings in the air fryer. Oh yeah, looking good. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, it can't be. Say it's not true. Tell me it's not true. It's true. I don't know how to do this. I made some chicken wings. I've been craving some chicken wings, but guess what? I have no buffalo sauce. No authentic buffalo sauce for these chicken wings. How are you supposed to have buffalo wings with no buffalo sauce? This is ridiculous. But you know what? I got the answer for you. It's real simple, real easy. We're gonna make some homemade buffalo sauce for these wings right here, right now. Just 5, 6 simple ingredients. But you know, the best thing is, this recipe is completely customizable. It's just a couple ingredients. It's so simple, but you know what? You can cater it to your own taste. So we're gonna go ahead and make this super fast, super simple, super easy. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be awesome. And let's get into it. Let's do this. Come on, let's do this. All right. So like I said, chicken wing emergency. We're gonna fix it. It's gonna be simple. It's gonna be easy. You're gonna love it. You're gonna be able to do it by yourself. So first thing what I did, this is just a little bit of melted butter, about 1 tablespoon, maybe 2. And what you do is you cater this to the amount of chicken wings you're gonna have. Okay, I got 5, 6 chicken wings in here. It's just a little evening snack. If you're doing a dozen or 2 dozen for a Super Bowl party, you're gonna need up the scale on this, okay? Remember that. But I cannot stress enough, the melted butter, number 1. This is what you start your sauce with. Okay, if you start with way too much butter, you're gonna have to add way too many other things to it to make it, to get that buffalo taste, because the butter is gonna overwhelm it. If you start with too little, it's not gonna work, okay? So I cannot stress it enough, start with the melted butter. So first thing first, a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. This is the classic ingredient for the buffalo wing sauce, the traditional authentic method. No big deal. So how much do you add? You add just about that much. Okay, I don't know what to tell you. It all depends on the butter that you're using. So I'm just going to kind of shake this into the little container here. And always add less than you think, because you can always add more. You can't take it away. And like I said, the butter is the main ingredient, so you need to learn how over time you're just going to cater this to your own personal preference, etc., etc. So there we go. Add a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. Next, Worcestershire sauce. Okay, you need to add this. You don't want to go heavy. You add too much of this, you ruin your sauce. So what you always do is just start small, add 1, 2, maybe 3 little shakes there. Like I said, you can always add a little bit more later. So to that, garlic powder, not garlic salt. Add a little bit of garlic powder. Like I said, this is to taste. I just, like I said, how much do you add? You add that much, okay? I don't know what else to tell you. You just add that much, okay? To that, you're gonna a little bit of standard, just a little bit of black pepper to taste. This here is a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, just a little bit. I don't like a lot of salt in mine, quite honestly. So there you go. That's the basic. All you're going to need to add right now. We're going to and mix this up, give it a little taste test, and see what we need to do to kind of, modify this to make this the perfect chicken wing buffalo sauce. So stand by. Let me get a spoon. In a perfect world, I would have been prepared, but that's asking a lot, especially for me. That's just, yeah, whatever. Anyways, so mixing it up, and you just see the color kind of changing there. It's getting a little bit more like that buffalo wing style color you're looking at. So go ahead and give us a little bit of taste test right here off camera. Okay, it's coming along. It does have a nice buttery, creamy texture to it. But right now, like I said, you don't want to overdo things, so you always add more to it. So I'm going to do, this needs a little bit more of the red hot Frank sauce here. It's just what you need to do, because the butter's a little bit strong in there. But like I said, always err on the side of too little, because you can always add more later. How much have I added? I don't know. Did I measure? Nope. You know why? Because that's how recipes are supposed to be, man. If you guys are doing stuff on your own, just play with it, man. Just play with it, Look at that. Nice golden color. Nice. Check it out. A little more taste here. Yeah, that's getting good. The nice vinegar comes through. Get the nice creamy butter taste on it. A little bit, a tiny bit of Worcestershire sauce, which I like on it. So anyways, if you want to kind of customize your stuff here, let me tell you what I do. If you want to customize this a little bit. Right here, this is some homegrown, home processed chili pepper flakes. A little blend of mine has some ghost peppers, some habaneros, some sweet peppers, just everything under the sun. This has been kind of added to for a couple years. I just want to add a little bit to that because I like to kick it up a little bit of heat. You know, you don't have to. Completely optional. Or maybe you want a little bit of heat, but not too much. What do you want to do? It's going to come through. Just a little bit of cayenne pepper, okay? Cayenne's the pepper that's in the Frank's Red Hot anyways, but maybe you want a little bit more spicy without adding too much more vinegar. Add just some, some cayenne to it. Cayenne, you can't go wrong, okay? Two other options I really do like a lot are Tony Chachere and Slap Your Mama, some Cajun seasoning. If you want to kick it up a little bit, add a little bit of Cajun flair to your buffalo wing sauce. Highly, highly recommend it. It's a great combination. It works just awesome. And this right here, last but not least, is some powdered homegrown onions and garlic. Okay, so this stuff is amazing. If you ever use garlic powder or onion powder from the store, you know it's not as awesome. But this right here, I'm going to put a little tiny drop of this in there because this sweet onion powder is, I cannot describe to you, so much better than stuff you buy at the store. It gives that nice sweet oniony flavor, a little bit of tang with the vinegar and the wing base and everything. So I'm gonna add a little bit on there and get back to you and show you how I dress these wings up. Hope you guys like this so far. So I'd like to go ahead and congratulate you and thank you in advance for subscribing and liking this video. If you do like what you've seen, tons of gardening stuff, some kitchen stuff coming more this season. Hope you've really liked it. So let me go ahead and plate these up, show you what I'm doing with these wings here, how I'm going to toss them up, add a little bit of my garlic powder, my onion powder, and I'll get back to you here in just 1 second. Alright guys, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit more Frank's Red Hot just a taste, and all you got to do is so simple. You need to watch this, check it out, slow motion. Oh yeah. Just a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of that authentic buffalo sauce on this chicken wing. And like I said, customize this to what you're going to do. If you're doing 6 wings, make 6 wings worth of sauce. If you're making 12 wings, etc., etc., etc. So there you go. It's really that simple. Get some tongs here. Just want to kind of turn them, coat them all up real nice and good. That flavor is coming through. And what I like to do is let them sit there in the sauce for about, a minute or two.